So women were always prone to have arthritis, but genetically predisposed. But what we are seeing in last 10 years is huge increase in the number of arthritis cases in women. The reasons could be multiple, but I think there are two very standout reasons in this. एक तो hormonal issues, wherein this comes as a perimenopausal package जिसको बोलेंगे ना.
I know all the goodies are coming out of the package.
I know. So what happens in perimenopause is that your estrogen level is dropping down. And the moment estrogen starts dropping down, estrogen has a protective effect on all our organs, okay? From the skin, okay,
To hair and
to
everything.
hair, to general vitality, bones, cartilage. So this protective effect, the moment estrogen is leaving you, the whole systems starts
to
kind of crumbling.
weakens,
Okay, and so that is a major reason why arthritis in perimenopausal women is very high. Cartilage starts becoming weak, and there is chronic inflammation in the body. So that's very, very important. Second, I would give very, very high stress on diet. So arthritis and diet, if you had asked me say 10 or 15 years back, I would have said that because I was doing hardcore orthopedic surgeries with just replacements and arthroscopies and stuff, I would say there's no role of diet, and it's all mechanical. But no, it's completely rooted in diet, I would say now. So there are now research papers which have come up in last 5 years which actually relate arthritis to gut. So everything starts from the gut. That's what the papers have been published now, and we are seeing it as true. So what happens in gut, we have resident bacteria, ठीक है, जो हम लोग गुड बैक्टीरिया एंड बैड बैक्टीरिया वो बोलते हैं, ठीक है. तो हमारे गट में नॉर्मली गुड बैक्टीरिया रहते हैं, ठीक है. तो वो हमें हमारे गट के लाइनिंग को प्रोटेक्ट करते हैं. विथ onslaught of quick food delivery systems, onslaught of fast food, onslaught of packaged food, onslaught of restaurants mushrooming everywhere, we kind of moved away from our home cooked food.
Right.
And we have been bombarded with all this artificial or whatever mass produced food, and that has completely affected our gut.
Yeah.
So there is huge change in the gut microbiota, which is called dysmicrobiosis. What happens with that is that the lining, the protective जो बैक्टीरिया जो प्रोटेक्ट करते हैं वो प्रोटेक्शन चले गया. So जो भी आ रहा है हमारे गट में, so toxins are getting permeated in our body. And that's where the chronic inflammation happens in the body. This can manifest itself with knee, घुटने का arthritis, मतलब घुटने का inflammation. So that's the root cause of arthritis. It can manifest itself in frozen shoulder, multiple aches and pains, lots of autoimmune disorders. So we have got very strong evidence to actually now say with conviction that if you change your diet to an anti-inflammatory diet, you can pretty much control the course of your disease. Okay. Not that it can be completely cured just with diet, I'm not saying that, but that plays a big role as well.
Okay.
So I think in females, hormones, diet, genetic predisposition, big overweight, obesity issues, all these are so basically lifestyle. So all these are very important issues in females, and that's why we are seeing such high incidence. In fact, I remember 2003, there was an issue by Time magazine which was published, and it was like cover page. I still remember, epidemic of arthritis coming soon. So, and it has happened over the years. Now it was almost more than 25 years back actually.
Right.
And they had predicted it. So yes, females and arthritis extremely close. It's going extremely close. Again, osteoporosis adds to it. Vitamin D, calcium intake. So again, diet and your lifestyle.
Right.
So those play extremely important role
Role.
in having it in females.
Right.